guys, it's your girl Ayn and you're watching Sunkissed Somewhere. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. My name is Ayn Bernos and I do videos on travel, lifestyle, and beauty 3 times a week, every single week, or when I can. For today's video, I'm showing you guys I don't think it's all, but some of the lipsticks from the Everyday Love PH Nude collection, and I'm super excited because when I first tried it just for a random Instagram story, I was so pleasantly surprised that the first shade that I got actually looked good on my skin. And that's the thing that I have a real problem with. A lot of nude lipsticks available in the market today, especially like drugstore affordable lipsticks, are not good on MORENA skin. So, you know, this has been a problem for me. That's why I always stick to reds and pinks. But now I think I've discovered my new favorite brand for nude lipsticks. So before I head over to the swatches, I'm gonna talk about the product a little bit. They sent me this PR package, and in the box we have all 7 shades, but I believe there's more. I think there's 11 total, but I have 7 shades right here, and these shades I'm gonna try out for you guys today. I believe they also changed their packaging. So they have an old packaging, and a lot of people like the product, I mean the consistency, the formula, but the packaging for this new one is definitely so much better. Like when I first saw this, I didn't realize that it was Everyday Love PH, just because I'm quite familiar with their old liquid lipsticks, and it did not look like this. Now this one is just super chic. It's very sleek, very something that you can whip out and just reapply, you know. And they have this ombre thing, and you can see the shade of the lipstick right here, right at the bottom. It's really nice. So right now I'm holding number 3, and this goes up to number 7. Yes, up to number 7. So currently I'm using number 1 on my lips. I've already tried number 2 and number 5, and so far I am in love with both of them. Let's talk about the formula. I really love that this is lightweight and it's not at all sticky or hard to apply. So when I first applied it, it was like very light, very sheer, and I thought that I would have problems with coverage, but it turns out when it dries, it actually looks really good, and I didn't have problems reapplying it. It's very matte, but it doesn't dry out my skin, which is another plus, because I've had that problem with ColourPop before. Sorry, I just dropped the name of the brand. Oh my god. I'm just saying that this one for 199 pesos versus, you know, what I got for ColourPop, this is just so much better. I think it's time to swatch the rest and see how it actually looks on my face. Okay, shall we begin? We shall. I don't know which direction it's going. Oof. So there you go, guys. Those are the swatches for the nude collection for Everyday Love PH. I'm so blown away. I mean, I tried the formula beforehand, but as I was trying on every single shade, I was like mind blown. I mean, how can every single nude shade look good on my skin tone? That's never happened before. It's always something is too orangey, or something is too light, or something is too white, too beige, too everything. But this was just so good. And best, it's 199 pesos. I'm just trying to process this whole thing, you know? This is something that I will definitely repurchase once I'm done with the PR kit. I don't usually do that. In fact, I don't know if I've ever done that, but this one for sure, 100%. Once I'm done, or once these expire, I am going to head over to their website and purchase a bunch for myself, because it's everything I need and want in a lipstick. This is insane. I can't believe this is happening. What a time to be Morena. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this was helpful to you, especially to you Morena girls looking for nude shades for lipsticks. So anyway, I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you again for hanging out with me here on my channel. I'll see you guys soon. Stay confident.
Hey, no, no.